In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a billing account in Firebase quickly and efficiently. Whether you're just getting started with Firebase or you're an experienced developer, setting up billing is an important step that enables you to access Firebase's suite of advanced features. So, let's dive right in and make sure you know each detail to get you started without any hassle. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for the Google Cloud Console. The Google Cloud Console is your gateway to managing all things related to your Google Cloud projects, including Firebase. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do so. Make sure you use the Google account associated with your Firebase project to ensure everything stays connected and streamlined. Once you're logged in, you'll see a drop-down menu on the top of your screen. This is where all your projects are listed. From this menu, select the specific project for which you want to enable billing. This ensures that the billing account you create will be linked directly to the project you need it for. Next, you'll want to find your way to the billing section. You can do this by clicking the main menu, often referred to as the hamburger icon due to its stacked three-line appearance. Within this menu, you'll find a range of options at your disposal, but today we're interested in billing. Click on that to proceed. At this point, if billing is not already set up or you don't yet have a billing account, you will notice an option to either add or create one. Don't worry if the terminology varies slightly. Look for phrases like add billing account or create billing account. This is your invitation to get started with the billing setup. As you click on this option, you will be directed to a page where you'll need to fill out several important details. Start with selecting your country. The country you choose will determine your currency and the available payment methods you can use. Next, you'll need to provide payment details like your credit card number and your billing address, ensuring they are input accurately. Finally, decide on a name for your new cloud billing account. Naming conventions can be helpful for keeping track of multiple accounts, so choose something meaningful to your workflow. With all your details in place, the last step is to submit this information. Double-check everything to avoid any errors that might slow down your process, and when you're confident everything is correct, hit Submit to create your cloud billing account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a billing account in Firebase, unlocking new capabilities and features for your projects. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.